Zombie deer disease is spreading, and it's just been confirmed again in Florida. It's called chronic wasting disease, and it turns deer into slow, drooling, uncoordinated shells of themselves. The disease literally eats away at their brains, like mad cow disease but for deer, and it's always fatal. It spreads through saliva, urine, and even soil. So once there's an area with infected deer, it's almost impossible to stop. But the good news? There's no evidence that humans can catch it. But it is devastating for ecosystems, so let's hope it doesn't get any worse. Because this is only the second case in Florida.